What's up, guys? This is Mike Colton from Sturgis, Michigan, and this is my 1995 Nissan 240SX. For exterior of the car, I'm the headlight guy at Elkhart, Indiana, retrofit the headlights. For the bodywork, it started off as a Nismo 400 kit from the early 2000s, but myself and Brass Knuckle Hardware made some changes to it because I wanted something a little bit more subtle and a little bit more timeless, so I wouldn't have to change the car every year. As far as wheels, I got Webb's Visunu 18 by 10s in the front, 18 by 11.5 in the rear, with 326 power lug nut wrapped in Federal 595 tires. The body kit is molded from the side skirts back to give it more of that clean, sleek look. For suspension, I run the Airlift 3-piece setup with the leveling sensors. Paint was done by Brass Knuckle Hardware here in Sturgis. It started off as a white base with two different styles of pearl. We got a PPG pearl and a House of Colors gold dust pearl. I was going for, back then it was kind of the look of the newer Cadillacs. They had that really bright, vibrant pearl, and I think we got it with a custom mix. For the interior, the S14 seats are super comfortable, so I wanted to keep that comfort because I drive the car to every show that I go to unless it's down south or further than that. So I went with the calfskin leather kit. It's customizable to whatever you want, and I did leather mains, suede inserts with white stitching. I got a grip royal wheel with the suede around, shaved and molded dash pieces for gauges. As far as audio, plan on doing a iPad dash kit. So not only can I run my audio with the dash kit, but I can also run my engine management as well. And yeah, that's about it for the interior. For the motor, it's a Tomei SR22 Tomei stroker. Went with the Tomei Arms turbo kit, FIC 1200cc injectors, Audi R8 coils. The head's also been fully built. It's full Tomei, 270 cams, 1mm oversized valves. All the titanium intercooler piping. The bay has been shaved. It's all backed by a Link G4 Plus ECU. It's a fun car. It gets down. Thanks for checking out my build on PASMAG. You can catch me on the cover of issue 159. Special thanks to Airlift Performance, MPC Motorsports, Eclipse Window Tinting in Sturgis, and HC Auto Works. Thanks.